Hello, welcome back to the Shed Shack. And it's October. And in October, the skip here in the UK, it kind of gets a bit strange because normally we pick up Europe and sort of continental stations and then things start to swing around. This afternoon, up in the Loft Shack, I had 18 Division, which I think is Greece, around Greece, somewhere like that. And he sounded like he was literally parked on my driveway. So I've got the President set up now in the shed. The 6900 has gone away. That's put away for the winter because it can get a little bit damp in here, so we don't want that getting damp. So I've got a little President Truman. Now then, I'm on channel 6 on the EU band, which is sort of the mid-block on AM, which I think is 27025 megahertz, and I think that is also channel 6 in the USA. That is the Super Bowl channel, which is kind of like our channel 19 and then some. And because it's October, we're in the fall now, we should be starting to get some American stations coming across. Del Boy put up a video the other day. He was getting America. And yeah, I've been watching this throughout the afternoon, and the sort of meter is rising. I'm getting signals from about S6 to S7. So as our sun starts to go down, the propagation increases. It's very much in the back of the box at the moment, but I'm hoping to at least record some of the Super Bowl if the skip comes on. If I'm out here, I'll try and put a call out, but it's such a busy channel. Unless we get a really good skip, the chances of being heard over so many stations, it's almost impossible. I've got my little helper on here. I can run a little bit extra power if I need to. But yeah, I thought we'd set it up, and we'll say we see how it goes. It's nice to get out in the Shed Shack, and it's 20 degrees out here at the moment, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in the UK. So anyway, so that's what we're hoping to do. Hopefully we'll get a video out of it. We never know. It's a bit strange this time of year, but let's crack on.
Can Machiavelli get your radio? Go golden rocket, Machiavelli. Let's ride. Okay, Slick Fitty, I hear Dynamite White in your background. He keyed a couple times, but you got it going on. Hey, Slick Fitty, I heard Dynamite White keyed a couple times, but Lord knows you got it going on. Identification ain't always worked out.
It's so glad to hear you guys again, finally coming through, you guys from the USA. You're a little bit in and out to me today. It's not the best day. Hopefully this skip will get stronger, but I'm so made up to be hearing America again. London, England.
You say tell them to sit there and watch their CB like a TV and then wait on 60 dB, no doubt about that. Until then, tell them to sit on their hand, that's for sure. 434, Dade, May County. Man, look a big arm with the... Take care, Arthur. I'm back on the way. I'm waiting friendly 5 to 148 shakedown. Put it on you later there, Arthur. I'm back quiet. 8434. I send the friendly fires out to 148. And shakedown, no doubt about that. Put it on you later. I got to put it on the ease back so somebody can play. I'm going to step out their way. Holla! Woo! 434. Woo! I'll holla back. Good day.
London, England. It is absolute chaos on there. There's so many stations coming in. But I love it. I love the accents. I love the terminology. It's just a lovely CB, isn't it? I just love the way that sounds. Classic CB in America. Love it.
Get back on 766, David, Little David. No rise at 766, Little David in the Buckeye getting on down.
going to have a little flick about. There's quite a bit of stateside coming in. Someone said on the internet there was some stateside on 27255, and I think that's about channel 22 or 23 on the mid block, something like that. So we're just going to have a little flick up there and just see what's coming in, because most of the EU channels do coincide with the American channels. 1664 1664. $16.64 UK, $16.64. $16.64, London, England, London, England, 1664, 1664, London, England. It's absolutely crashing in at the moment. I'm made up.
Just don't key out. I don't know why. Take care, Chucky. Let me eat my lunch. I'll be back, Chucky. I'm out.